say me now. Make me see the arm. Put some food in your belly button before you smoke this one. Yo, this is Bad Big Enough. Bad Bigs Entertainment. We're out, not out. Oh, you're gonna make it if you never really try. Oh, you're gonna live if you're afraid to die. Birds never know they could fly the seventh sky until they try. Oh, you're gonna say that you can't get a blight. When you sit down so relax and you not try. Oh, you feel win the lottery and you never buy. You got to try. You don't know this is Stratus God or Bad Bigs Entertainment. You don't know it already now.
Radio on Roots 96.1 FM. Rockers Radio is an internet radio burning up the place, I can tell you that. And when I'm on the radio Mondays to Thursdays, it's all nice. This Friday afternoon, total 6 on Roots 96.1 FM, the voice of the inner city. And that's how we circle the globe. Alright, thank you very much. Bad Bigs Entertainment. We are getting set now to rock the place with a rising entertainment out of the business. Goes by the name Stratus Gordon. And I can tell you, he's an artist for the future. Well, he's in some business. He's not so very young indeed, but he's a young virgin still. So, please up. Oh, this one is not, I don't want the one that the mic is that chip it out in the virgin. I know chip I want to chip thing we are doing. Alright, anyway, Memzi, take up the sit down on the page. Memzi wants to come on. We bless you anyway, the straight and all the massive. Give thanks and praises. Step by step, we're ready for the action pack once more. Alright, and you know it's every Thursday, right? Every Thursday right here. So we make sure we present ourselves this Thursday, right here at the Bonita Crescent. Good to be here. But tomorrow, you can join up on Roots 96.1 FM if you want to hear what's went on right here. So we can be of all the folks, right? So thank you very much. Okay, we want to say to folks, right? Right about now, we got a bad artist that is on the rise. It's another business. Goes by the name of Stratus Gordon. Let's hear for Stratus Gordon one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Stratus Gordon, are you ready?
All the people them, when you say them never stop trying. All who have ambition. Let me see the end of my wave, so. Try. You got to try. Try. Sometimes don't make it in like you want. All who have ambition, wave it so. People, sometimes don't make it in life you want to feel, but you never ever can give up. Stick to the plan, put your shoulders to the wheel, so you raise a victory cup. Don't waste your time fighting people with bad mind. Just focus on making you dine. To reach a pinnacle in life, me I tell you somewhere you have to start a climb. Every man get a gift from Jah, up to you to make it shine. I not trust people, but sometimes they be them from time to time. Oh, you gonna make it if you never really try. Oh, you gonna live if you're afraid to die. But never know they could fly the seventh sky until they try. Oh, you gonna say that you can't get a blight when you sit down and break up. Level me. Let me talk to the people them. Let me talk to the people them. You see the dogs business and the shutter business and the drug addict business. We don't need that. The next generation don't need that. I see the lazy people them. The man and the woman them like work. Judge and no star. I like them. Step by step, Sugar Wayne, Barry Buck, Bad Bigs, Maria Sang Large, Frankie B, I am the DJ Johnson, Mandeville. Sometimes to make it in life you are gonna feel, but just never ever can give up. Stick to the plan, put your shoulders to the wheel, how you raise a victory cup. Don't waste your time fighting people with bad mind. Focus on making you die. reach a pinnacle in life, me I tell you somewhere you have to start a climb. Every man get a gift from Jah, up to them to make it shine. I not just people, but sometimes we have to work for them from time to time. Oh, you gonna make it if you never really try. Oh, you gonna live if you're afraid to die. Birds never know they could fly the same sky until they try. Oh, you gonna say that you can't get a blind. When you sit down so relax and you not try. Oh, you feel win the lottery and you never buy. You got to try. Try, Mandeville, try. You know why? People, nothing in our life not come easy. Especially if certain people picking it. Pull it up again, brother. Pull it up and play low. Sugar weight, if you talk to them on one now. You see that song here? Low now. And everybody them a try push to the gate. You hear me? Bad days. Nothing in our life now come easy. Especially if it's certain people picking it. So we roam the streets at university. That's the way we feed our family. Certain part of the system not like we. Right we off before them even know we. Dudes passing all type of policy. Just to keep the people in a poverty. So we have to also clean daily. That's the way we keep making money. We take care of the youth and the family. And the people never wrong. Oh, you gonna make it if you never really try.